Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a PHP script which can actually build a Canva clone. So I built a Canva clone kind of a image editor inside PHP, HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So you can see I'm running it locally. So this is a simple demo right here. So first of all you can change the color of this. So it's kind of a Canva clone. So you select your image that you want to edit. So let me select image here. So the image will load here. So then we have the first option here to crop the image. So you can basically select whichever portion. You can zoom onto the image. So which portion of the image you want to crop. So then we have this tick mark option right here. So the image will be cropped, and now we have a set of filters that we can apply to the image. You will see these filters are there. Each filter will apply a different set of editing to the image. You can see that. So here from the drop down you can select from any filter. So if you don't want to apply any filter, you can simply continue, and after that here comes the best part of this. So we have two options right here. Either you can add text onto the image, or you can add a watermark image. So we have the text capability. So as soon as you click this button, this here you will be able to edit. You click the pencil icon right here to actually activate. So here you can actually add the watermark, text watermark, and then you can control the positioning by the mouse here, and you can like this and then click OK, and then simply download this image. So if you open this image, you will see the text watermark has been successfully added on top of the image. So in this easy way you can add watermark, and if you want to add some kind of a watermark image that you have, so you can even add that as well. So now this is actually a watermark image. You can see that you can control it, the location of this. So you can tick mark and then save the image. So this is actually a PHP. This editor is developed inside PHP. Let me now show you the source code here. So this is the overall directory structure of the project. If you are interested in this project, the link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com and purchase the full source code of this project. And once you purchase it, you will be redirected to Google Drive automatically, and you will actually get this zip file. You just need to extract the zip file, and now you will see this set of files here. So this is the main file here, index.php, and you simply run this script in VS Code by simply activating it. You should have exam control panel. So this is a PHP software for running PHP applications directly locally. So I'm just running this here. So I just type here localhost photo editor app. So now you will see, as soon as I type this in the browser, the application will load. So here you select your image, whichever image that you want to edit. So now you will see the application is perfectly working. So first of all you need to crop the image. So it's something like Snapchat as well, because you can apply multiple filters to your images instantly by a button click. So you can see that. So we also have this brightness. You can even control the brightness of the image by the slider. So it's very easy to deploy as well. So if you want to deploy this application, so once you get the zip file, You just need to upload all these PHP files to your shared hosting, so it's easy to deploy as well. We contrast as well, you can see all these sliders are there, so you can easily edit, you can blur the image as well. So this is actually Canva clone image editor, guys, developed in PHP. So if you are interested, the link is given in the description. I showed you this demo right here, so you can purchase it. Also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image, and I will be seeing you in the next video.